Salam friendships! So, I want to share with you my honest review about this foldable dining table na nabili ko online. One of the reasons why I bought this kasi very limited space lang dito sa house namin. Pero I still want to have a proper dining table kasi eating together with our kids is one of the most important things sa amin ng husband ko. And also, I need more space in preparing food orders, especially kapag maramihan. Pieces yan. And ito naman yung mga parts na i-assemble sa pinaka-body. Pinagsama-sama muna namin yung mga magkakapareho para ma-check yung quantity per part and screw. Meron na rin kasamang checklist to for you to check kung ilan yung quantities. Meron na rin siyang kasamang manual on how to assemble. I bought this for 2,000 plus and meron siyang other colors to choose from. Merong white, black, and this, yung wood and white. So, let us start with the pros. Of course, the first one is yung pagiging foldable niya. Kasi literally, if finold mo yung dalawang side, talagang pwede mong isingit na lang or idikit sa wall para patungan ng vase or something. Usually, isang side lang yung ginagamit namin since 4 lang naman kami. But if there is an occasion or may food orders ako, 2 sides yung ginagamit ko since I need more space. Next is, may wheels siya. So, very, very easy to move. Hindi rin magte-take ng space yung chairs niya kasi may storage na mismo sa table. I-shoot niyo na lang. And ang maganda rin yung color nga kasi very neat, aesthetic ang appearance. And also, yun na nga yung sinabi ko kanina is very easy to assemble. The only thing na nagkaroon ako ng problem is yung quality ng chairs niya. Madali lang siyang masira, though magagawa naman ng paraan. Hindi siya pwede sa mga mabibigat. But if you will add support sa chairs, I think it will be okay naman. Next is yung support sa table mismo. Since middle lang yung pinaka-support niya, hindi siya pwedeng lagyan ng mga sobrang bigat sa mga sides. But so far, I tried naman to put a bit heavy things. Hindi naman siya bumigay. Pero syempre, you still need to be cautious about it. My rating for this product is 8 over 10. Syempre, may mga cons pa rin and I really want to be honest when it comes to product review. Kasi gusto ko hindi masayang yung money nyo, especially sa mga mommies na pinag-iipunan talaga yung mga pambili ng mga gamit sa bahay para gumanda and maging comfortable yung family nila. Ayokong magsisi sila or ma-disappoint sila sa mga nabili nila because I know the feeling, yung nadala ko sa ads na hindi naman pala totoo. Kasi what everybody wants is satisfaction of what they paid for. Because every penny counts. Especially nowadays, ang hirap kumita ng pera, no? In fairness, worth naman siya sa price niya kasi we've been using it for almost a year na. So matibay din talaga siya. Late ko nga lang na-upload tong video na to kasi napakarami kong ganap sa buhay. This is the actual product na marireceive nyo. So here, you'll see what it looks like pag nakataas yung dalawang side niya and what it looks like naman kapag nakatiklop na siya. Well, I'll just post the link sa comment section if you also want to buy. And please follow for more honest reviews. Shukran for watching!